I just finished cutting the grass, so I thought I'd do a very quick little update. I just thought it was reasonably good weather today. The person shouting in the background is a guy with some sheep shouting at a sheepdog, if you're wondering if you can hear it. Yeah, it was a nice day today, so it's been dry the last couple of days, so I just thought I'd come up very quickly, cut any winter growth, and that will save me any problems when you know, I really usually cut it in sort of end of February, start of April, and it's usually pretty long by then. And that's how I charge my batteries. Solar panel that goes down underground and charges the post battery. And I just thought I'd come very quickly today and do it. That's one of the anchor points for the mast, the radio mast. A few bits and bobs, and then this is my shed. And I've got again, I've got a solar panel bolted on here, and that's charging another battery. That's for a light. Where's the light? Up there. And then I have my 4G modem, just testing a new SIM card, and it seems I'm getting quite a good signal here. So I'll be able to mount the mast there, and then there'll be a 4G antenna, which is that there, and then that will connect through the sort of the black thing, looks like a top hat. That's an aerial connector in there, and then that'll run down into the bunker underneath, and that will give me 4G underground. So that will be good. So I'm going to test that the next month or two once it warms up a wee bit. But yeah, just wanted to do a very quick video just to show you how everything is looking at the moment. So thankfully no jobs to do. Post has been, you know, no problems over the winter. Paint's still good, everything like that there. I was down below ground very quickly there just to check everything. It's all good, and I'll be able to bring the battery back soon. The 30-watt solar panel isn't big enough to keep the battery charged over the winter, and that one, quite frankly, is too big to put on the fence. There's a reason why it's there. So yeah, I'll bring the post battery back probably in April time. By that point, the days will be long enough that it should charge okay. But yeah, okay, thanks for watching, and I'll be back soon. Bye bye.